Hong Kong has a secret garden, far away from the hustle and bustle, where you can dive into the sea and learn to live with nature. This place is called Sai Kung. Sai Kung makes the perfect kayaking destination for rookies and experts alike. Sai Kung to Sharp Island is the most popular kayaking route. It takes only an hour, and there are many smaller islands on the way to take short breaks too. That uninhabited island is called Park Chau. People like going for a swim or picnic there. On Sharp Island, you can find lots of intriguing volcano rocks. Another very Instagrammable natural site on Sharp Island is the Tumbelow. When the tide recedes to under 1.4 meters, a path emerges so you can walk across to Tell. Look! The sea is on the left! It's on the right too! The Tumbelow takes just less than 10 minutes to walk across. But make sure you have enough time to go back before the tide rises. Farm to table might be trendy abroad, but here in Sai Kung, we do sea to table. This Hong Kong sea urchin is actually the same species as the Japan's purple sea urchin. They season from February to June. Wow, 輕鬆好多喎呢度。係啊，好多嚟呢度。吉唔吉手㗎？呢啲咁樣攞住嘅話。吉手啊！等唔切想食佢哋啦。其實開單好簡單，就攞把鉸剪，呢個係嘴嚟嘅，跟住我哋嘅攞鉸剪剪呢度，整完之後咧就洗一洗佢，整乾淨佢就食得㗎。好鮮甜啊！好鮮甜啊！梗係正啊！啲海膽。即開即食。係。果然係唔同啲。Apart from eaten straight out of the shell, sea urchins can be turned into wonderful dishes like sea urchin fried rice. Love it. Steam egg white with sea urchins. This is so sweet and delicious. Sea urchin spring rolls. Other local seafood include oval squid, goose barnacle, so fresh and sweet. Bloodmouth straw, thresh fins, all caught by Sai Kung fishermen. There are many hidden pristine beaches in Sai Kung. Today we will sail past Trio Beach crystal clear water to the neighboring Ma Nan Wet. I'm attending a workshop about pearl cultivation in Hong Kong. Then I'll shuck an oyster to harvest my own pearl. This pearl oyster is 12 months old already, almost the size of a feast.
跟住我哋就要開背㗎咯喎，準備好未？
準備好。
將呢個嘅掌心按住個貝殼嗰度，然之後咧就揾個位插入去，跟住移佢。
Oh, I found it! A pearl cultivated in Sai Kung. You can make a piece of accessory with your own pearl. Wait till you see the rest of Sai Kung's natural wonders. The Urchin group is a key part of the global geopark. It consists of different islands with various geological sites, including the world's largest hexagonal volcano rock column formation. You can see these stunning hexagonal rock columns on Hong Kong 500 Nooks too. Like an enormous mural or colossal pipe organ in a church. You can also spend a night at a seaside hotel in Sai Kung. Choose between cozy boutique hotels or relaxing resort-style accommodation, or equipped with many facilities to make your trip to Sai Kung even more unforgettable. Sai Kung is an unmissable destination for every sea-loving traveler.